Hello, friends, and welcome. Get ready to go on an awesome journey with me. Today, we're going to meet a super tiny hero who has a really big job.
Are you? I thought so. Because we are about to follow our little friend on a huge, busy day. It's going to be full of splashing and flowing and growing, so let's dive right in. Everyone say a big hello to Drippy! Isn't Drippy cute? Drippy is a super happy little water droplet, and even though Drippy's so small, they are so important to, our whole world.
Whoa, look at that! It says water is precious. Do you know what that means? It means it's super special. So Drippy and all of Drippy's little water droplet friends are like treasure, and we have to take really good care of them.
Wow, so it looks like everybody needs Drippy. I mean, think about it. You need water. Your puppy or kitty needs water. The pretty flowers in the garden, they need water. And you know those big, tall trees? Yep, they need water too, so they can grow up big and strong.
Okay, so let's check out what a super busy day looks like for our little hero. I'm telling you, Drippy has a lot of important jobs to do.
Okay, first thing in the morning, rise and shine. Drippy's first stop is your bathroom. Splish splash. Drippy's right there, helping you wash your face and brush your teeth, so you're all sparkly and clean and ready for school.
All right, after helping you, Drippy zips right outside into the garden. You know, all the flowers and plants are so thirsty in the morning, so Drippy gives them a nice, long drink of water so they can stand up tall and reach for the sunshine.
And it's not just plants. Hoof, meow, chirp, chirp. All the animals need water too, right? So Drippy makes sure all the little puppies and kittens and birds have fresh, cool water to drink. And, maybe even to splash around in a little bit. And get this, Drippy even helps make the food we eat. Way out in the big farms, Drippy helps the farmers grow all the yummy stuff we love, like crunchy apples and sweet strawberries and those orange carrots. So good.
Man, Drippy is so busy. Let's see what else. Oh, Drippy helps grown-ups cook dinner, helps us wash our hands before we eat, gets us all clean in the bathtub, cleans up messes when we spill something, and is even a hero for firefighters putting out fires. Seriously, is there anything Drippy can't do?
Okay, but hold on a second. Have you ever wondered where Drippy comes from? I mean, it's not just magic, right? Well, Drippy has this huge family that lives all over our planet. Come on, let's go find them.
Okay, everybody, look up. Way up. Drippy's whole adventure starts high up in the clouds. And when those fluffy clouds get super full, they let Drippy and all their friends fall down to the earth as rain. That's right, rain is where all our fresh water comes from.
So check this out. Drippy actually has two big families. The first family is called surface water. That's all the water we can see really easily. But then there's the secret groundwater family. Ooh, it's like a hidden treasure buried right under our feet.
I bet you've met Drippy's surface water family before. You've seen them, right? They live in little splashy ponds, and in rivers that flow, and big blue lakes, and even in the giant salty oceans and seas.
Okay, now for that secret family. So when it rains, some of the little water droplets like Drippy decide to go on a super deep adventure. They go way down into the ground. They wiggle past all the dirt and find tiny little hiding spots between all the rocks. And that is groundwater.
But how do we find this secret hidden water?
Well, people use special things like wells or hand pumps to reach way down into the ground. They bring that fresh, clean groundwater all the way up for us to use. It's kind of like we're giving the earth a secret handshake to get the water.
So we've seen how hard Drippy works for us, right? Every single day. Well, guess what? Now it's our turn to be a hero for Drippy. Are you ready to be a hero? You are? Awesome. Since water is so special and we need it for everything, we all need to be water heroes. And what's a water hero? It's someone who helps save water and makes sure not even one little drop gets wasted.
Okay, water hero, here's your first mission. Are you ready? Number 1, when you brush your teeth, turn off the water while you're brushing. Number 2, try to take super fast, speedy baths. Number 3, if you ever see a faucet that's going drip, go tell a grown-up right away. And number 4, always make sure you turn the water off nice and tight when you're done.
And remember, even if you feel small, you can make a huge difference. Every single time you save just a little bit of water, you're helping Drippy and our whole planet stay healthy and happy. That's a real hero.
You know, Drippy's adventure, it never really stops. They're always moving around, from the sky, down to the ground, into our homes, and then back up to the sky again. It just goes on and on. So I wonder, where do you think Drippy's next adventure will be? What new job will our little water hero have tomorrow?